Hey guys and gals, George here, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. I'm out in my shop and I'm working on my table saw here still. Let me spin you around. One of the things I need to do is to make an insert for the table. But the problem I ran into is I can't crank that blade down because the cranks are broken off. And the original cranks for this, down underneath there and over there on the side, are gone. I have a part of one of them, plastic, all busted up. So what I'm going to do, let me raise you back up here again, and I'll insert some photos so you get a clearer picture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make some window cranks. Yeah, I'm going to make some cranks for this table saw. That way I'll be able to turn the blade down, and when I get the insert made, then I can raise the blade up and cut the slot in. What I propose to do is take these two pieces that came off of a lawnmower that I recently disassembled and make a crank. I'm going to weld this piece of scrap on here like that, and then I'll drill a hole and I'll mount these knobs that I have here. Just happen to have two that match. I'll weld them out here so it'll give me a little bit of leverage for spinning those things. And the hole in this is a little bit too small, so I'm going to have to drill it and bring it up to the proper side. Okay, well, we have our cranks all welded up. Not the fanciest job I ever saw, but it'll work. And I set up my video camera to show you so you could watch while I was welding, and I never turned it on. But next step is to drill them out. Yep, homemade vise to hold these pieces while I drill them out. Got some cutting oil on there. A little cleanup. We'll be ready to throw a coat of paint on it, I guess. Make an insert. You can see this one here has one in it. And the one that came with that saw was all broken up like this. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use this for patterns like that. So now I can trace this on here and come around here like that. And then I had measured, I know what the full length of the opening is. It was 13 1/4. There we go. So the first thing I want to do is I want to rip this to width. And we have 3 3/4. Measure twice, cut once, 3 and a strong 3/4. So I'm going to rip it through. That gives us our proper width. I'll cut these radiuses with a saber saw, and then we'll take it out to the, and I'll put a hole in it here, finger hole for pulling it out. And we'll take it out, put it on the other saw, and cut the slot. Okay, folks, as you can see, I have the insert cut, and now it's time to make the saw cut so we have the slot in it. And to do this, all we have to do is raise the saw blade, and just as a matter of safety, I'm going to slide this over here like this and lock that down just in case something grabs. Here we go. Start it up. Crank up the blade. You can see that I have the handles all made, cranks. They do work pretty nicely, and I didn't show the whole process, but they function. That's what matters. There you have it. This is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. And I'll finish cleaning it all up, getting it all set to go, and I'll put up one more photo of it completely done. How's that? Thanks for watching, guys and gals. Appreciate it. Goodbye.